Hello everyone, in this video I will show you another nice place in the mandelbrot set. It's in this area, as you can see, so let's zoom in. Okay, further, and here I will increase the iteration limit to 4000. Then I see the cost again. Yes, we come close to the interesting part. Okay, one more click, maybe make another magnification. Okay, here we are. So now I will remove the marker and I will zoom in once more. And now you can see this periodic structure in 2 dimensions, and this is why I called this place Lattice. Now the problem is to enhance the contrast. First thing we usually do is change the exponent of the power norm. Okay, yes, it's a different color, but it's not, the contrast is not really impressive. So go back to 0.35. Then we can try to change the window limits. Doesn't do very much. Or rotate the color map. No. Change the color maps. Gist rainbow is often very helpful. You can rotate this. Yeah, colorful, but not really impressive. Reverse the color map. Oh, okay, this looks quite nice, but I think I should go back to hot and try to shade it. Okay, then I add some depth. Maybe more. Move the region of interest a little bit right. Yes. And the blend mode has no, I don't like it very much, so it's soft. No. As always, I like overlay. And then we smooth. Yes. So for me, this looks quite nice already. And I will try another color map. Maybe twilight. No. Oh, sorry. Paired. This is interesting. Now let's change the exponent. In this direction, or in this direction, or go back to 5. We may change the window limit. You have to play with the color. Okay, or rotate. How about reversing? Oh, that's more or less the same, I would say. So this is the first time that this paired color map it turned out to be useful. So I go to the similar color maps. Not so good. What is this? Yes, this is quite nice. Yeah, also qualitative tab 1. Yeah, so I think I like paired most, and I show you what I will put into the GitHub. It's this plot. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and I thank you for watching.